Biomechanical engineering is a subset of biomedical engineering and combines the principles of mechanical engineering and biological systems, specifically with the human body. It is divided into three fields: clinical, occupational, and sports. In clinical, you might study the mechanics of the body in diseases such as multiple sclerosis or autism. In occupational, you could design ergonomic instrumentation to be used by a physician. In sports, you might study the mechanics of gait analysis of long-distance runners and how to make a better shoe. A biomechanical engineer can work in a variety of environments, including an occupational therapy clinic, an exoskeleton testing facility, or a medical equipment and instrument design company. As with other engineering fields, biomechanical engineers are problem solvers, and they must communicate effectively their ideas to the team that they're working with and sometimes to the patients themselves. They must properly document their work for their own good and so others can understand what they are conveying. They often use skills such as CAD, which is computer-aided drafting, and programming to design products or instruments that would be used to collect human performance data. They must be able to work efficiently in teams and to communicate with their clients often. Some specific industrial arenas that biomechanical engineers could work in include the medical equipment industry, many of which are located in Indiana. They might continue their research at a university or work with instrumentation and need to design the controls that people interact with. Some daily activities could involve research and design, knowing what has been made before and improving on those designs. Or they might be involved in some mechanical tests of products to see when failure occurs. Or meeting with physicians to plan the steps for surgery using medical instrumentation. Let me share with you an example of what a group of biomechanical engineers at the University of Dayton have been working on. Engineers at the Engineering Wellness through Biomechanics Lab at the University of Dayton researches ways to better identify factors that contribute to controlling posture, mobility, and fall incidents, particularly in individuals who may be at especially high risk for these problems because of disabilities. They collaborate with their clinical partners to identify important research gaps and use these gaps to drive experimental design to make significant contributions to science. They conduct a wide variety of studies on a wide range of study populations with the added benefit of interweaving ideas and interventions across patient populations. They use static posturography, computerized dynamic posturography, inertial measurement units, motion capture technology, and electromyography in their studies, as well as the application of nonlinear analyses to study the underlying human movement variability of the data they collect. Currently, their primary area of focus is the fall prevention of older adults with dementia and the evaluation of sensory integration therapy in children with autism. In high school, you'll want to take as many math, science, and engineering courses as you can, including biology, chemistry, physics, anatomy, trigonometry, calculus, AP courses, CAD, and courses that teach the engineering design process to prepare you for college. A programming course is also highly recommended before entering college. There are over 100 colleges and universities across the United States that offer a bioengineering program, many with emphasis in biomechanics. Some college courses could include form and function of animal skeletons, medical device innovation and design, biomechanics of movement, or soft tissue mechanics. Biomedical engineering is one of the fastest growing engineering fields in America. Employment of biomedical engineers is projected to grow 23% from 2014 to 2024. much faster than the average for all occupations. In 2014, there were approximately 22,000 practicing biomedical engineers, and that number is expected to be around 27,000 jobs in 2024. Biomedical engineers likely will see more demand because of growing technology and its application to medical equipment and devices. Smartphone technology and 3D printing are examples of technology being applied to biomedical advances. As the aging baby boom generation lives longer and stays active, the demand for biomedical devices and procedures such as hip and knee replacements is expected to increase. In addition, as the public has become more aware of medical advances, increasing numbers of people are seeking biomedical solutions to their health problems from their physicians. Biomedical engineers work with scientists, other medical researchers, and manufacturers to address a wide range of injuries and physical disabilities. Their ability to work in different activities with workers from other fields is enlarging the range of applications for biomedical engineering products and services. The mean starting salary is around $54,000 as of May 30th, 2017. The median annual wage for biomedical engineers was around $85,000 in May of 2016. The median wage is the wage at which half the workers in an occupation earn more than that amount and half earn less. The lowest 10% earn less than $51,000, and the highest 10% earn more than $134,000. Biomechanical engineers can influence the design of many things in our society, including cell phones. Engineers would be involved in the research and design of the comfort of holding the phone and wearing earbuds. They also could be involved in the human-operated machinery used to manufacture the cell phones, though most cell phone manufacturing is automated. Biomechanical engineers would also be involved in the design of flight controls that the pilots would use to ship the cell phones across the world. So you can see that biomechanical engineers are involved in a device that you use every day. If you are interested in more information on biomechanical engineering, check out these sources.